Hello, from the For the See Me, this is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment today. Wednesday the 8th, tomorrow we've got USDA at 11 a.m. So I'm going to talk about the corn, wheat, and beans, and then very briefly about livestock, and then we'll move on from there. Again, we're getting in front of this USDA report tomorrow. We've had a really good rally in soybeans. I'll start with them. The managed funds, they're long 160,000 contracts. That's a very big force of nature. They want to own the beans, and they're going to be supporting these prices when they can. Just a week ago, we had a 63-cent sell-off, 2 weeks ago. In the past 6 or 7 sessions, we've rallied back 43 cents of that. So that's pretty big. That's a 62% retracement. A lot of traders, hedgers, speculators look at those types of retracements. Not unusual to be bid up here the day before a report. I would continue to watch new crop soybeans. That $10 level is very, very important. Right now we're trading at $10.24. Tomorrow we get a WSDA, worldwide supply and demand. We'll see if that throws a monkey in the wrench. I want to switch next to corn. Corn is approaching its 7-month high. As I walked over here today, Wednesday, we're very close to taking out 371. It's a big resistance. It sounds exciting, right? 7-month high, but we're at the top of about a 35-cent trading range. We can't get through that. I would not be surprised to see maybe two-sided trade tomorrow, especially if we're able to run some stops above 371 in March. Looking at new crop, we're very close to $4. $4 is a big psychological number for everybody, producers, speculators, hedgers alike. So that may be a pivot area to watch as well. Finally, what's going on in the wheat? Well, the wheat, the funds are short 110,000 contracts of wheat. If you look at March wheat, it looks to be like they're double top at 437.5. What's a double top? All it means is that if you go back and look at the chart, there's 2 days on 2 separate occasions where we couldn't get through 37.5. A lot of people will look at that. If we trade above it, it'll get the bulls excited. But I would continue to watch that as a pivot. The funds are still short, and they don't really have a reason to get out yet. So going into this report, they're long 160,000 contracts of beans. They're long about 10,000 contracts of corn. Not that exciting, but if you look at where we've come from, probably in the last 3 weeks, the funds bought about 60, 70,000 contracts of corn. So they went from being short corn to long corn. And again, their big short is in the wheat. We'll see what happens tomorrow at 11 o'clock Central Time. Could be some good action to trade or to take advantage of. And then real quick, what's going on in the meats? You've got record high in the stock market. You've got the managed funds, who again are like a force of nature. They're long 110,000 contracts of cattle. We got overextended. We had a correction. We've come back. We've been bouncing around these technical levels. It'll be interesting to see if we can get another leg up or there's some more downside pressure moving forward for the live cattle market. And then the hogs, lean hogs have had a great rally. They've rallied 17 bucks off their lows in the past 8, 9, 10 weeks. A great rally. And it's kind of running out of gas, running into resistance on the charts at near 7-month highs. What we've seen is a tremendous amount of export demand, not only in cattle, but also in lean hogs. Why is that? People seem to think that possibly end users, especially, and we export a lot of pork to Mexico. Maybe they're trying to get in front of this potential issue. Who knows what's going to happen between the U.S. and Mexico? But if you knew that there was a possibility that there was going to be price changes, you might want to be buying stuff ahead of time. So that could be a reason. We've had really strong exports December and January, and we'll see if that could extend forward. So lots of opportunity out there. Make sure you keep your stops in a position where they can protect you in case your opinion is wrong. Tomorrow should be a good day for opportunity, especially in the grain markets with the USDA. That's about it. Have a great day. This is Chris Robinson.